You were a professional auto mechanic and you worked with asbestos-containing brakes your entire life. Now you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma. Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney here in New York City, and I can answer your questions. And I can do that by talking to you about some clients I've represented in the past. One client in particular who was a former auto mechanic and changed thousands of brakes on automobiles. And in his deposition, he testified about the work that he did. And he talked about using both OEM, original equipment manufacturer brake linings, which are brake linings manufactured by the same company that made the car. And he also used aftermarket brake linings, which are manufactured by companies who didn't manufacture the car, they just manufactured brake linings. And what he would do, this former client of mine, he would take off the four wheels of the car after the car was put on a lift. He would remove the brakes. He would blow out the drum with an air compressor, causing a lot of dust in the air. He would then take the new metal shoe with the attached brake lining out of the box and install it into the vehicle wheel by wheel. And this process of removing the old brake, blowing out the drum, handling the asbestos-containing brake lining, the new one, and installing it into the vehicle, exposed him to asbestos dust. He did this work every day, and he did it for many decades and was exposed to asbestos dust thousands of times from working on asbestos-containing brake linings in automobiles. Now, if you're an auto mechanic, you probably had some very similar exposures. And I'm sure you have questions about mesothelioma and how auto mechanics were exposed to asbestos. I'm Joe Williams, and at our firm, we handle cases every day for mesothelioma victims, and we can answer your questions. I invite you to call our office at the number below, and we'll answer your questions. Thank you.